Hi, I'm Emily.
And I'm Alan.
Hey Alan, why did the students eat their exam?
I don't know why.
Because their instructor said it was a piece of cake.
Whoa, hey, can I have that?
No.
Oh. Well, creating the exam may have been a piece of cake if the instructor used Respondus.
True. Respondus is an exam creation software we have here at Kirkwood. With Respondus, you can create exams, or what Talon calls quizzes, and publish them into Talon. You can also retrieve and pull your quiz questions from Talon courses into Respondus.
Right. Exams can be created from scratch in Respondus or imported from a Word document. So if you have a test bank from a publisher that's a Word document, you can use Respondus to import it.
You will usually have to do some tweaking to the questions before you put them into a Respondus-friendly format before you can import, but depending on the number of questions, this can still take a lot less time than copying and pasting every question and every answer option directly into Talon.
Once your questions are formatted, you'll import your document into Respondus. Then you can make changes or edits to the questions if needed. Lastly, you can publish into your question library or directly into a quiz in Talon.
When creating from scratch, you'll first select the question type, then write your questions and answers, and save. Once you're finished, you can also publish to Talon either as a quiz or into the question library.
There are also several options you can set from within Respondus that will transfer into Talon. These include randomization of answer types, point values for the questions, and randomizing the order of the questions.
You can also pull your exams or quizzes out of Talon using the Retrieve Questions feature. This will create a Respondus file that you can edit and republish to your Talon course, or download and save as a Word document for better printing.
Respondus also has access to a huge network of publisher test banks that can be directly pulled into Respondus, customized, and then sent on to Talon.
That's right. Just search for your textbook. Most of the big publishers, such as McGraw-Hill, Cengage, and Pearson, are included in this database.
We have a campus-wide license for Respondus. You can contact the service desk or open a new request ticket to get a copy on your computer.
Okay, time for some cake.
Thanks for watching.
Hi. Oh, I put the cake down.
Hey,
Hey. And publish them to Talon. You can also retrieve or pull your what?
It's just going so slowly though, isn't it?
With Respondus, you can create exams.
Oh, I forgot to hit the button. Hey, can I have that?
No.
Well, okay, let's try that again.